Hello and welcome to the lecture series on Indian economy for civil services. In the previous classes, we have seen the definition of economics. We have also developed our working definition of economics, and thereafter we have seen the three different economic systems, meaning thereby the capitalist sort of an economic system, the state economic system, and the mixed economic system. In today's class, I'll be talking about the distinction between an economy and economics. So therefore, if you look at economy and economics, the relationship between the two is of theory and practice. Let us look at it in greater details. So whenever I'm talking about economics, it is a discipline studying economic behavior of human beings. So we have seen in the previous classes, when we developed our idea of the discipline or of the definition itself, I talked about economic activities, and these economic activities were relating to profit, loss, employment, and all of that, and the behavior of these economic activities of human beings are studied under economics as a discipline. On the contrary, when I look at economy, it is a still frame picture of economic behavior of human beings. So it is giving me a still frame picture of the economic behavior of human beings per se. So I hope the idea of economics and economy is pretty much clear. Whenever I club all the still frame pictures of human behavior, I am looking at the working of an economy per se. So therefore, the still frame picture is looking at economy at a point in time, and economics is a behavior, or it is the study of economic behavior of human beings. So I hope the concept of economics as well as economy is pretty much clear. Now whenever there is an argument with respect to what do you understand by an economy and economics, you will have some material to probably distinguish these two, and as a student of economics you should be able to distinguish these two because they are not synonymous, rather they have distinct meanings. Furthermore, let us look at greater details into economics as well as economy. So here the 4 points are talking about primarily the discipline which is studying human behavior, that means economics, as well as the still picture which is giving you a sense of human behavior in an economy, which is economy. So let us look at economics. Economics is a discipline which comes out with theories of market, employment, etc. So economics is a discipline which comes out with different theories of market as well as employment and prices and all of that. So here I am looking at the theory per se. Yeah. So if you remember, I started this lecture with my underlying quotation that the relationship between economics and economy is that of theory and practice. So here economics is looking at the theories. These theories are related to either market or employment or prices or firms and all of that. Yeah. Let us look at what economy is. So economy is the real picture of things which emerge after the application of theories in certain areas. So whatever theories are developed in economics, when they are applied to certain areas, then we look at a real picture of something, and that real picture is defining something called as economy. So I hope the first point is pretty much clear. Here economics is talking about only the theory. On the contrary, this is practical sense of it. Here I am applying the theories. So I hope the practice of these theory and practice relationship is pretty much clear with the first point. This is theory and this is practice, that is the application of theories to provide you something called as the real picture of things which emerge out of the application of different theories, and this is called as an economy. Let us look at the next point. The next point is talking about economics suggests different theoretical prescriptions for different economic problems. So economics is talking about different theoretical prescriptions. That means there are different theories which can be applied for different problems, and these theories are based on expectations of humans about their economic activities. So these theories will talk about the expectations of individual in an economic framework. Yeah. So this is the second point, which is talking about economics as the discipline. Let us look at what does economy particularly means then with the given second point for economics. So economy is the economic at play in certain regions. That means these economics, yeah, I'm looking at an economy, which means it is the economics which is at play in certain regions. Economics at play in certain regions, meaning thereby in a nation, in a country. For example, Indian economy or the Russian economy, the French economy. So whenever you apply this discipline to a certain region, then you have something called as an economy. So whenever economy is looking at the application or the economics, the discipline is at play in any region, it can be a country or it can be a nation, then you call it to be an economy per se. Yeah, and these economies are Indian economy. Whenever we are applying economics to India, then you call it to be an Indian economy. When you are applying economics to Russia, you are calling it Russian economy. When you are applying economics to French, you are calling the French economy. So this is how you look at the distinction between economics and economy. So I hope this lecture has given you a sense of underlying idea behind the term economy and economics. Now you will be able to distinguish between the two and look at it from a very comprehensive sense, talking about something called as the theory and the practice. The former is talking about the theory, the latter is talking about the theory. That means economics is talking about the theory and practice is taken with the help of an economy per se. Yeah, so I hope the idea is pretty much clear. Please stay tuned. Thank you.